Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you know, you know. Hey Divas and Dons, welcome back to another video. Yes, I'm here today guys. I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna talk to you because I need to talk about some YouTubers what I watch. Okay, and I'm going to name them now. We have Nicole, of course. We have Zaddy Chunk Chunk. We have Snoop, Lecarson, Teo Oxo, Asia Lee, B Love, my God, the whole clan. I'm here to talk about the saga, what's going on with them. Okay, it's a reaction video. I've got my laptop here ready. I'm going to be reacting to Lecarsons' latest video that he put out yesterday. It's Sunday today. I'm working tomorrow, but I am going to try and edit this as least as possible and put this video out today, right? So quickly, let me tell you what I'm eating with you. I've got some jerk chicken wings, what I made in my air fryer. It's not really wings, it's chicken bites, little nibbles. I've got some salad here, guys. And if you've watched my Mukbang channel, you'll see on top of my salad, I have some jalapeno peppers, pickled peppers. And also on top of my salad, I've put some pickled garlic salad in here. There's garlic, red peppers, capers, and olives, yeah. So we've got that. In this bowl, I have some potatoes, some shrimp. I've got some little fine blue crab legs, a little bit of crab legs in there. There's a few bits of sausage, and I think I said potato, right? And this, guys, this is an onion vinaigrette, right? I believe it's an American brand or Canadian brand, and it sells. I can't get it over here. I brought it back from Jamaica with me. When I go to Jamaica, I always bring back a bottle of this. It's really, really nice. Have a look. If anybody knows this brand that's selling anywhere in England, in London, let me know. Because I only get hold of it when I'm in Jamaica. Alright, guys. And today I am drinking, just got a glass of Sprite with ice. So garlic. And if you're feeling for anything sweet after, I've got a few Ferrero Rocher. I'm so glad I remembered at the right time to say the grace. So thank the Lord for this food I'm about to eat on this Sunday evening. I am truly blessed. Thank you for waking me up in the mornings and putting me to sleep at night and waking me up again. God bless everyone I know, friends and family. Amen. All right, so we say grace over the food. Feel like something's missing and I don't want to have to get up. Anyway, guys, this video is a reaction video. I am jumping on the bandwagon. My name's Marcia and I'm over here in London, but I follow these people. I follow these YouTubers, B Love Life, Zaddy Chunk Chunk, Nicole, of course, Lecarson, Teo Oxo, Asia Lee. Follow all of them, Darius, all of them. And something's cropped up and I can't believe it. So like, they're all friends, and give you a quick rundown. They're all friends. Nicole used to go out with, anyone needs something, I need a bowl, I'll be back. Sorry about that, guys. Need a bowl for my trash. Now, I need to say it all quick because we're going to do this reaction video. So, Nicole is the ex-girlfriend of Dalvin, Daddy Chunk Chunk, YouTube, yeah? And they're not together anymore. He's got a new girlfriend, Ellie. Very nice girl, Ellie, love you. And Lecarson, YouTuber Lecarson, nicknamed Snoop Shiesty, he is one of Sadie Chunk Chunk's best mates. Or was. Now, Nicole of course, the ex-girlfriend, she's decided to open an OnlyFans page. So, Lecarson, he came on YouTube saying he subscribed to Nicole's OnlyFans. Zaddy Chunk Chunk, he got mad about that. Zaddy Chunk Chunk, he got mad about... Okay, let me start again. Nicole has decided that she's gonna make her OnlyFans page. She's made it. Lecarson, Snoop, he makes a YouTube video saying that he's subscribed to this YouTube page of Nicole's and how Nicole was looking nice and she was flapping and this was flapping and that was flapping and everything was flapping and how he's thirsty for her and drinking his drink. And I was saying this must be a joke, right? Because that's his best mate's ex-girlfriend. Next thing you know, Zaddy Chunk Chunks makes a reaction video to Lecarson. Oh, you thirsty for my ex-girlfriend, blah, blah, blah. I still didn't believe it. I thought they were messing about. Nicole, she makes a video acting all coy over what Lecarson said about her. She seemed to take it as a compliment, whatever. Then you got Teo Oxo, T-O-Y-O, Oxo, I think it is, another YouTuber, was apparently dating Lecarson Snoop. And, I don't know, she made a video. She was really shocked to how Lecarson was acting thirsty for Nicole. So, then B Love, if you know B Love's Life, the lady that eats all the crab legs, but she's vegan now, she made a video telling Nicole, don't do it, it will only cause trouble. Because when you read in between the lines, Snoop, Lecarson, he's moving towards Nicole. He's more or less telling her he wants to knock the boots. By the way, guys, if you haven't done it already, click on like for the video and subscribe to my channel, yeah? I'm trying to do more and more. Subscribe to my channel. If I get 200 likes on this video, boy, I'm gonna hit the grind. Because I'm jumping on the bandwagon because Lecarson made a video, then Nicole, of course, made a video, Zaddy Chunk Chunk, Teo, Bila, all on the same topic. So I thought I'm going to make a reaction video. Because I'm one of their subscribers to all of them. So I want to give my review, my reaction. So, if you didn't get it, you didn't get it. But if you want to get the story, go to each of their channels, tune in, and you'll understand. For those of you who do follow and saw my hashtag or whatever, and you've come over, we're going to get into it now. Let's see what Snoop's saying. This one is, I want to collab with Nicole, of course, on OF. Snoop, or should I say Lecarson, aka Snoop, has made a video saying, boldly saying he wants to collab with Nicole, of course. Now, I'm not going to lie, I've watched it already. And it was actually watching this video said, I'm going to make a reaction video. Let's see how much people watch mine, because they're obviously doing it for the clicks. Like up the video, guys. Let's have a reaction video. One of the subscribers, just like you guys. Let's see what you think. At first I thought it was all a hoax, but in this video he makes it clear that this is not a joke. Let's see what he's saying.
I'm your host, Snoop, of course. Today I got a Big Mac meal, and I actually got tomatoes on it.
He's eating a Big Mac meal.
I had tomatoes, and they gave me 3 tomatoes, and they charged me 60 cents. I didn't know they charged me extra for tomatoes. Absolutely ridiculous. Well, actually, I got a quarter pounder meal, double quarter pounder, because I like the thickness of all.
I don't know if you can hear it that well.
And I got an assortment of drinks. Here I have a.
Whoops. Sorry guys, I can't get it no louder. He keeps saying he's thirsty.
Excuse me, let's get a prayer.
And now he's got 4 different type of drinks, drinking them, but he's thirsty. He's taking the piss.
Oh, hello. You must be here for your appointment. Your honey appointment.
We don't want the ads.
Your video, the last video, I was keeping a fan. Using that video was fine.
She's telling us she was looking fine with your little top on. And he's got shades on, y'all, because he's been shady.
Look, I mean, I noticed you. Noticed.
These are the little crab legs, y'all. They're blue crab. They're little. You just kind of munch on them, but they're very tasty. He's still thirsty.
I know what I need to drink of. I think I need
What I don't understand is him and Dalvin have some kind of fallout. Because to be honest, if he's really chasing Nicole, that's bad. It is bad because it's his best mate. I mean, I think they all spent last summer together living in Dalvin's house in Texas. Made videos, everything. So Dalvin wants to know, all this time you wanted Nicole because he was with Nicole then.
He should be upset about it, really. And realistically, I guess, he can't book me, so.
Did you hear that? Lecarsons just said Dalvin shouldn't really be upset because, you know, you can't whoop him. He's real shady. What's he saying? Like, you can't do anything because you can't beat me, so just shut your mouth. My God, I mean, that's why I keep thinking this is all a joke. I can't believe people just switch like that.
That is just his feelings. I seen this video. It's a little, what do you call himself, Zaddy Chunk Chunk? He said he was a dominant man. How did you see him crying in that video?
He said his own chunk was crying.
Oh, come on. Talking about a shark in the water, on the way to swim, like.
He said Daddy Chunk Chunk's talking about being a shark in the water and he can't swim. I can't keep up. Why is this guy behaving like this? I'm a big fan of Daddy Chunk Chunk, but this is hilarious. Why is he behaving like this? Is bad. They're not just like know each other. They're meant to be good friends. They were like housemates for a while.
Your ex-man really can't do anything with me. I think, out of respect, mom said we shouldn't. But I just like to grow,
He's calling out everyone. He said, I've heard what the mum said. He's saying to Nicole, your ex-man, like he wants to say to her, if you want to deal with me because your ex-man can't do nothing about it.
You're single.
Because we're grown.
We both grown. My bad, I did call you. I didn't mean, I meant like, you are a grown woman.
He thinks he's all that in a bag of chips, isn't it?
I'm a grown man. I think,
You're a grown woman, I'm a grown man.
I don't know.
Well, I can tell you my reaction. My reaction is if this is real, like, he's really moving towards Nicole, Lecarsons, it's really bad. And if Nicole deals with him, it's worse. It's a bad name for women. Because that's her ex's homie, as they would say over there. Nicole, why don't we make some content? I will say this. Nicole, he needs you more than you need him. That's for sure. And he laid it out there. It's all about content. So you don't have to get in your drawers to make content. Do a mukbang. He's trying to make his coins, which is obvious, but the way he's doing it, is not good. So don't go there, Nicole. You made a brave move, you're doing your OnlyFans, but you can go on there with anyone. Doesn't have to be your ex's best friend or your ex's ex-best friend. I like Snoop though. He's funny, he's just ghetto, isn't it? Let's see.
That is a proposal to you. Actually, that's probably going to be my title. Ooh. I want to collab with Nicole, of course, on my fan.
This one's to ride Nicole's money bag. I mean, guys, comment below. Do you think this is real? Guys who follow these people? Do you think this is real, what's going on? Or is it all for content? Is Zaddy's chunk in on it? Is Nicole in on it? I don't think Teo Oxo's in on anything. Maybe. Comment below. Do you think this is a hoax? He needs a tall glass of Nicole, of course. Because all the drinks he bought, he's still thirsty. He needs a tall glass of Nicole, of course. You know why I think it's got to be real? Because I think even if it was a hoax...
helps you work more efficiently, which makes accomplishing your work goals easier than ever before.
Would Zaddy Chunk let the hoax go this far where it's going to make him be looking, you know, weird? He wants to know her answer. I mean, don't you have her number? Did you have to make a YouTube video to ask her that? Well, be love said, don't do it, girl, because Nicole, you can't act like a man and still be a lady. Society just don't permit that, girlfriend. If you do anything, could Snoop out of the way? Don't complain about the backlash, because you are going to get backlash. Because he's broken the bro code. These are the little blue crabs there. So nice. I did film how I done the blue crab. Guys, I have another channel, the Divas Mukbang and Cooking Corner. Please go over there and subscribe. I've put this mukbang up on this channel because
Might be kind of awkward at first too.
I need someone to hear me. But please go over and subscribe to my other channel, my mukbang, the Divas Mukbang Cooking Corner. Because I'm gonna start putting anything to do with food over there, and over here we'll just chit chat, life, what happened today, what's happening tomorrow, what happened last week. We'll go on over here. Well, this channel is just me, right? So this channel's like just me. He's talking about Teo Oxo. But he said, Teo, he been trying to call you and you don't answer your phone for the longest time, and then all of a sudden, bam, you got feelings. Who's got a point? Who's got a point? Because even I didn't know you lot was like such a big deal. Yeah. Let's face it, a girl would only be up in her feelings if she's opened up the cookie jar. I don't know. Comment below, what do you think about that? Why is Teo Oxo so up in her feelings? Or is it all about content from her side as well? But if this is real, it's gonna get ugly. And Nicole, please don't do OnlyFans with him. You could do a mukbang and talk about this. That would be interesting, but don't do OnlyFans with him. Don't do it. Because I assure you, him and Daphne, they will still remain friends. They'll work it out one day and then you'll be some kind of topic of conversation, girl. No. Keep your dignity.
Don't you want to see her happy? Don't you think I can make her happy? Like, you know?
He wants to make Nicole happy. You just don't care. That's why I don't know. He said, don't you want to see your exes happy?
Wouldn't you want your daughter to think a Catholic? Sometimes, yeah. So, your ex-girlfriend, you want her in good hands, don't you? So, like, you don't think I'm in good hands? I can swim.
He's taking the mick. He said, don't you think she'll be in good hands? I can swim, you can't. I don't know. Are they going to come back and say it was a hoax? Because Daddy Chunk Chunk is always talking about content creating. And this guy shot up to 10k. Maybe more now. Because of this one video. Tell me, why do people just love drama, including myself? When you put out nice, quiet, wholesome family videos, put out drama and he's gone 10K. You do get some crab meat. They're called blue swimmer crabs, guys. They're very good in the shrimp boil because it really flavours the boil more. And then if you like just kind of munching, which I do like crunching and munching, they're nice.
So I saw on your profile that you like to cook.
I love it. This is my specialty.
Ooh.
Anyway, this is going to come to an end soon.
No. I usually keep my eyes on my paper, you know. So in Texas, I was with they were surprised. I was back, and I started seeing Nicole. I mean, really Nicole, but whatever. It's like you wearing shades, you know.
He's saying that no, he wasn't watching her all the time. She was with Dalvin. But you know, since they broke up, he was noticing her. He's got a crush on her, it sounds like. So, comment below. Comment below, guys, and let me know, right? Nicole, of course. He's twisting his hair. Guys, comment below. Should a best friend go out with their ex? Should a person go out with their best friend's ex, whether on the girl's side or the boy's side? They've broken up, they're exes. I mean, Zaddy Chunk Chunk's got a new girlfriend. To be fair, him and Nicole's like been split up 1.5, 2 years or so. They continued living together because they had the lease on the house, and then when the lease was up, they went their separate ways. But Zaddy Chunk Chunk's outright got a new girlfriend all over his YouTube and everything. Very nice girl. So is it okay for Nicole and his best mate, for Zaddy Chunk Chunk's ex-girlfriend and his best friend to get it on? Is that okay? Or is it messy? Alright. He's out. I'm out too.
Y'all got my youngest little brother with.
So that was that, guys. So that's really what this is, a reaction video. Lecarsons, aka Snoop Shiesty. Go and look him up on YouTube. Look at his videos. Look up Nicole, of course. And Zaddy with a Z. Zaddy Chunk Chunk. Teo Oxo. B Loves Life. Look them up, guys. If you don't follow them, see if you get a drift on that, on what's going on, and leave a comment. This is an experiment. Let's see who takes notice of my reaction. I'm no YouTube celeb. I'm one of their supporters or followers. Let's see if they notice what I say. So guys, I'm going to finish up this. finish up my chicken, eat my Ferrero Rocher. I've got work in the morning. Let's see if I can put this video out tonight, okay? So please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channels. This one is The Diva Just Me, and my other YouTube channel, The Divas Mukbang and Cooking Corner. Please subscribe. I need subscribers. Click on the like if you like this video. Let's like it up, and leave some comments below. I want to know what you think about best friends dating exes. Also, what do you think about them? If this is real, what do you think about them putting it all out on YouTube? Why, is it really that obvious, and it is just for content, just for likes, just for subscribers? I don't know, what is it all about? Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the video and catch you next time.